Welcome this video. Outdoor privacy screen idea. Create a provide outdoor space. Do not have to be expiring whether you want to back pay eyes, red noise, or add some idea. A static appear to your backyard. Those are numbering, budget friendly, other available. Here are some. Create a affordable outdoor privacy screen idea to help your transforming space. Repurpose pallet screen, wood pallet, or our style and cost effect other for create an outdoor privacy screen. You can find free and chap pallet for load house stone online marketing placement palace style to create a stood bring add hub or palette to enhance the screen functionally and aesthetic. Little panel. Palette are a lightweight and affordable a way to add privacy to your yacht. White man enters airflow and light processing. Install little panel on wood post or attach to an stand structure. Trend climax plants little various or to grow on your letter for a natural touch. Print the palette to match your outdoor decor. Bamboo screen. Bamboo is an affordable and Asia friendly for an outdoor screen porch. Bamboo French roll and attach experience or post. Use zip type or screen theme. Bamboo add a tropic while provide a stored brink. Fiber fence. A fiber fence is a simple and explain size provide solved. Use canvas cut outdoor fiber to a wood frame, fence or wide structure. Choose palette to color that complement your outdoor space. What style? Gardening privacy wall. A privacy gardening can serve us both a privacy screen and a beautiful space safe gardening. Use wood pallet hen or wall plants to grow greenly. Plants do what again like hub or structure. This other enhance your outdoor space will add a natural bring. Well fence, real and wake fence are expanding and easy to install. By pro roll fence and attach it to an stand fence or post. It's provide a rustic natural look and built well with outdoor landscape. That's material often modern privacy well still allow flow air outdoor or window stood. The purpose old wood or shaft is a create and budget friendly valve to build a privacy screen. Attach multi-door or shaft together to form a brink. Theme of various or modern look. Place theme in a home palette for ad screen. Hand plants and plants not only add gardening but also privacy provide a style away to create privacy. Use a stood frame or an overhand structure to hang the plants. Choose trend plants like or even for maximize cover. Mix different plants type for various lush appear. Fence with salt and park. Create a simple fence. Use wood, salt, or park is an affordable salt. Use remark wood to vary money. Simple the salt cloth for most provide or level for a bring effect. For a more refined look, PVC pipe privacy screen. PVC pipe are explain size and versatile for privacy screen. Build a simple frame. Use PVC pipe and attach fiber and little. Plants are PVC pipe to build with your outdoor decor. It's lightweight, make it easy to remove than need. Outdoor room divider. Free-stood room divider are an excellent temporary privacy solved. Use follow screen make for both and advocate. Place theme statement or growing budget or gardening.